What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video, we're working on this awesome Jeep. It has been rhino lined completely on the exterior, of course. So we can't wax it. We can't do much but wash it as best as we can and treat some of the exterior plastics and maybe some of the exposed metal that's on it. So basically it's like the truck liner, all of the paint, and it's really, really rugged. So it has a lot of these metal parts in the front and on the fenders. Now this, I believe, yeah, that is metal. So some of these are metal, some of these are plastics. There's a lot of parts on here that we can't wax or scrub much. So we're going to rinse it, foam it down, clean all the wheels and everything, because the wheels do need to be cleaned. Of course, the tires need to be cleaned, all the exterior glass, and then we're going to also do a full interior and clean that up. So mostly it's going to be focused on the interior, but I thought I'd show you guys this thing because it is mean looking. It is pretty awesome. So we'll show you around it, and then we'll get to washing it and show you basically how far we can go on a vehicle like this. So guys, if you enjoy content like this, and I hope you do, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So enjoy the video. So as I mentioned, the only things that we can do is rinse, foam the Jeep down, wash the glass and metal portions and wheels and tires, and after that, rinse everything down. But we did make sure to rinse really well to ensure everything was at least mud and dirt free. We also made sure to scrub down those interior rubber liners. It was mainly wiping down and dusting. In some areas, we used our Meguiar Citrus Power Cleaner Plus and agitated, but no steaming or extracting was needed at all. It did take time to work around all of the interior parts because of the roll cage and metal parts inside the vehicle. Again, this Jeep was built for off-roading and having fun. The owner just wanted it clean and presentable for his next adventure. At the end, we did use Meguiar's hyperdressing diluted 1:1 to dress all the plastics and only the rear trunk rubber liner, and obviously not the other floor liners, since that would make them way too slippery and dangerous. Okay guys, we're done. So this job was a pain because it all of a sudden got cold out today. Yesterday we were working in t-shirts and shorts, and today we have long sleeves, hoodies, hats. It all of a sudden got cold and windy. So we're finished with the job. We couldn't do much with this texture here because it is rhino lined, so which is kind of nice. It is pretty awesome looking. It's beefy. And at least we just cleaned all of the exterior surfaces, and we did use that Polymagic spray polymer on all of the metals and the glass and exterior parts that we could protect. And then we cleaned all the glass inside and out, of course, and then cleaned all of the interior. We didn't have to do much on the interior as far as steaming and extracting. Basically, the customer wanted everything wiped down and dusted because it was kind of dusty from going off-roading and rock climbing with this beast. So guys, let me know what you think of this Jeep. This thing is awesome. All right guys, that's going to do it for today. We are done. It's cold. We're going to go home and warm up. We're done for the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, check out our apparel. Click down below on the link. You can buy hoodies and hats I'll have on there soon. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a safe week. Take care.